a good time? Yeah? What were you saying? Yeah. 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 Yeah, baby. You don't like your pumpkin outfit? We're getting ready for tomorrow? Yeah. What do you want to say? Yeah? You happy in it? Do you like it? Do you like the watermelon outfit? You like it? It's cute, right? I like you in it. You look so cute. You think so too? Yeah, fun, right? You gonna like this? You like it now? You were crying earlier. Do a hat. It goes like that. It's a little bit big. You like it? Well, the baby has trying to watch the TV.